Alright, what's up guys? Today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to use the options profit calculator just to get an idea of how much you could potentially make on an options call. Alright, so as you can see right here, the stock that we have on the screen is Snap, and currently it is at $50.85. Everything is pretty much down today, but if we go ahead and we click on the week, we can have an idea of what Snap has been doing over the week. All right, so if you look here, at one point it was somewhere around like $55, and then it just kept going down. All right, so we know for the week it's bouncing between 55 and where it is now, which is $50.85. All right, so we're gonna scroll down now, and if we look right here, we could see the 52-week high for Snap is $73.59. All right, so now we're gonna use this information and try to see if we can pick a option call. All right, now as you can see right here, news-wise, we have some bad news on Snap. Everything is pretty much down today, but we have some bad news on Snap. About a day ago, it says Snap suspends anonymous Q&A apps, YOLO, and LMK after lawsuit over a teen's death. So pretty much, some kid that was driving and using the app got into a fatal car crash and died, and as a result of that, there was a lawsuit, and bad news drives the price of the stock down. All right, so that's where we're at. So now, obviously, for this to work, you have to first enable options on Robinhood. So let's go ahead and click on the trade button here, and then we hit trade options. All right, now the next thing we're gonna go for is this little date section here. So we're gonna go ahead and select that. Once you select that, the option comes up to give you a buy, sell, call, or put. We want to select buy, not sell, but buy, and we want to select call and not put. So your screen should look like this, okay? Buy, call. All right, so we want to go far out, so we're going to go to say June 18th. So we're going to go ahead and select that, and we're going to select an out of the money option, which means something that's nowhere near the current price. So as you can see right here, the current price right now is $50.85. So anything below this is in the money, and anything over this is out of the money. All right, so we could see we could buy a $55 call right here, but as you can see, the price on that is $2.12. Now for this call, it means you're paying a premium of $2.12 for every share, and you have to buy 100 shares. So just to buy one of these options, you would need $212. All right, so we're gonna go further up and bank on the fact that going all the way out to June 18th, the stock could potentially go all the way back up to its 52-week high. All right, and I'm just basing this on the fact that whoever made that decision to make that feature available, they're probably going to be fired from Snap, and they're going to hire some better Q&A person, and not Q&A, but quality control person, the QC person, and fix whatever issue it is. So let's say it goes back close to the 52-week high, which is $73 and some change, or it actually surpasses that. So we're going to see if we could gamble on this one, which is a $75 call. And you'll notice right here, the premium is only 11 cents, right? Which means that to get 100 of these, 100 shares, the premium is 11 cents, which would cost us $11. So let's go ahead and click on this. And if we select one, you'll notice here, the max cost is $11. So we're gonna up that and do 10, all right? So now 10 of these would only cost us $110. Now if we go over here to where we have the bid and ask link, and we click on it, you scroll down and you could look at the Greeks, and you could see the delta for this. It's it's only $3. The theta is also really low, which means it's gonna lose value, but very low. Gamma is low as well. So you know, this is what you're gonna get when you have an out of the money option. But that's why we usually don't buy one of these. We'll buy a couple, you know. So that's it as far as Robinhood is concerned. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna hop on over to the options profit calculator, and we're gonna see how much we could potentially make doing this option. All right. So hop on over here, and we're gonna pull up the options profit calculator. We're gonna click on where it says long call right here. All right. So we select that, and it loads up, and then you can just scroll down, and in this little section right here, you're gonna go ahead and put in the ticker. So the stock that we're looking to get the estimate on is Snap. So we type in the ticker Snap, and we hit search. It pulls the current price. Price on here is always slightly different than on Robinhood. The next thing we're going to go ahead now and select is select option. So we click this button, and up the top here, you're going to go ahead and select the date. So the date that we're looking for is this date right here, June 18th. So we're going to select June 18th. And the strike price, right, which is right here, we're looking for the strike of $75. So here we are, $75 strike, and we can see it's 11 cents for the premium. So let's click that. And now we're going to go ahead and enter here the amount, which is 10 contracts. All right. So just put a 0 behind that, and we're going to go ahead and hit calculate. And here it pops up the chart. So obviously the green is, you know, you're making money. If you're in the red, you're losing money. All right. So let's say it goes back to the price that it was this week, which is 55, right? On the 14th, which is tomorrow. If we click that, it shows here that it'll cost us $110, but we would make $300, so our profit would be $190. So even if it just goes back to what it was this week, we're up $190. All right. And if we go out further here, let's go to say May 24th. Let's say it doesn't get to 75, right? Let's say it gets to, I don't know, 62. So let's select this one right here. We select that. You can see right here, it's $980 total. It cost us $110. Profit is $870. All right. And this is just if the price gets to $62. All right. So that's it, guys. I hope you found this information useful. Thanks so much for watching the video, and y'all have a good day.